Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take a tissue paper and roll it like this as shown in the video. After rolling it, keep folding it and then fold it from the between. Now on the top, fold it like this and tie it with the help of a rubber band in the between. Spread its ears, make its eyes, nose and mouth, and your cute bunny is ready. You can just color it little bit like this and it's done. Next, take a red color or some beautiful color papers and fold them like this as shown in the video. Now after folding it, we'll be pressing it like this from the sides. Make few more as such and join all of them together with the help of the double-sided tape. Put the sticks on the sides and your flower stick is ready. Next, we'll be making this boat. So take a paper like this and make the creases on it. Now press them and make a triangle. Now fold it from the top and then press it like this from the sides, and then you have to fold it like this. Now after that, you have to fold it like this from the sides and press it as shown in the video. Now after that, you have to fold it like this and then fix them all together as shown in the video. Now press it like this and then spread it little bit as shown in the video to make the boat, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking a paper and make this toys. So for that, we'll be needing a green color paper. Fold it like this and then fold it from the top again. Turn the paper and again press it like this and fold it like this from the downside. Fold it upward, fix it like this. Now after that, we have to fold it and fix it inside like this. Cut it from the between and press it upwards. Turn the paper and make its eyes, and your frog is ready. Take a stick and then you have to fold it like this. Now take a paper, roll it little bit like this, and then you have to cut it from the top and make a cone like shape. Now cut the paper piece we rolled from the top little bit like this, and then you have to apply the glue and then paste it together as shown in the video. Now make its handle on the sides, or you can call it a wings, and fix the straw on the back, and your toy is ready. We'll be taking a paper and fold it like this from the sides, press it like this from the downside and then fold it from the top. Turn the paper and again fold it like this and press it. Now after folding it, we'll be folding it from the top and press it like this. Now after that, we'll be folding it as shown in the video, press it like this, spread the wings of it, and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the yellow color paper to make this toy. So cut out the circles from it like this, or make a duck over the paper and then cut them into two pieces. So now after making its eyes, nose and mouth, draw its legs and then you have to cut it out. So fold the paper so that it gets two copies of it. Now apply the sellotape all over it like this. Now put a balloon on the back of it and put the other piece of it over it, and then close the sellotape from the sides, and it's ready. Cut out the circular shape from a wooden cardboard sheet. Now make its nose, draw its eyes like this, and then after that we'll be making the ears, or you can just put the leaves on the sides to make its hairs like this, and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking an egg. It's a boiled egg. So now after that, we'll be cutting it from the top little bit and from the back like this. Now the cutted part which we kept aside, we'll be making the ears with the help of it and the tail on the back. You can make its eyes like this, and your cute rabbit is ready. Next, we'll be making this bird. So we'll be taking a leaf and then tear it from the sides like this little bit from the top. Now after that, you have to fold the stick and put it on the top like this and fix it. Now after that, fold it like this from the between and make its eyes, and it's done.